Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a dreamy glow effect. Select new project and add your video clips. Split the excess part and delete it. Remove the CapCut watermark. Go to Effect, Video Effects, go to Basics and select Soft. Extend the effect to cover both clips. Then go to Filters. Choose Metal. Move to Adjust and set the contrast to 20. Exposure 10. Sharpen 10. Extend the filter to cover both clips. Let's preview the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and comment if you find value from this video. Much love I got for you. Peace.